Alrighty guys, welcome back. We're currently back out here in the garage. It's like 11 o'clock. So when we fired it up last night after getting it all put back together and figured out, there's a little bit of an idle issue. You know, it was idling a little bit rough. You guys just saw in that clip that we were just out here adjusting the idle with our flathead screwdriver. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick how you're gonna do that. So this is how to adjust the idle on your 400EX. So you can go on down here. This screw is normally flat. It's up a little high. So it was flat. This screw right here on the carburetor. So here's your choke right there. And here's your idle adjustment screw. It does start out flat, but we have it, you're gonna wanna turn it clockwise to up the idle and counterclockwise to down the idle. So we have it turned right about halfway, and you guys see it's idling a little bit high, but overall not too bad. So we're starting the video today, and then we'll get to riding it here in about an hour soon. And when I take off out of the driveway, I'll have someone record me doing it, and it should be pretty fun.